How do I use a fishing lure? Are you ready to make your family fishing trip with teenagers a memorable adventure? One way to do that is by learning how to use a fishing lure effectively. Let's break down the steps to help you and your teens catch some fish while bonding together. First, you need to choose the right type of lure. For beginners, inline spinners and spoons are great options. Inline spinners have spinning blades that create flash and vibration, mimicking bait fish. They work well for various fish, including bass, trout, and pike. Spoons, on the other hand, flutter and flash in the water, resembling a wounded fish. They can be retrieved steadily or with pauses to attract fish. Once you have your lure, it is time to cast it into the water. Look for spots where fish are likely to be, such as near vegetation, river currents, or structures like rocks. After casting, start reeling the lure in at a steady speed. You can mix it up by varying the speed, adding pauses, or twitching the rod tip. This erratic movement can trigger fish to bite. An important technique to remember is counting down your lure to reach the right depth. After casting, let the lure sink for a few seconds. Count 1, 2, 3, and then start retrieving. This method helps keep the lure in the strike zone where fish are feeding. Encourage your teenagers to practice casting and retrieving with a few simple lures. This builds their confidence and skills. Teach them to pay attention to how the lure feels in the water. If it snags weeds or hits a structure, they can adjust their technique accordingly. Using lures on family fishing trips is a fun way to bond. Everyone can share tips, celebrate catches, and learn together. Keeping the approach straightforward and focusing on enjoyment will make your fishing outing memorable for all ages. So grab your lures, head out to the water, and enjoy some quality time with your teenagers while fishing.